It started out pretty
What?
hot today, but the temperatures are dropping and we're new.
Drop your
So
toy.
we definitely have to get a good shelter and fire.
Fresh out of class. Lab at 7 tonight, but until then it's really sunny out. I'm gonna hopefully try and go take some pictures, but not sure with who. The problem is my lab is pretty cold at night, and I don't always have time to stop back and like pick up a jacket and stuff, so I have to like prepare in advance on what I want to wear or bring so that I'm not freezing looking at stars for astronomy tonight. Audrey, explain what we're doing.
I don't know.
Nice.
This on a video?
Yeah.
I don't know what we're gonna do. You tell me.
Well, we're trying to take pictures, but we don't know where or what to wear. Honestly, because you just got a tan and you can't put on some certain things. This dog is chewing something. Oh, do your best trick. Nice.
No, she knows how to spin. Come here.
She's like, I do not.
Here, here. Sit. Spin. Oh, good, Loon. Down. 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 Oh, good, Loon. Talk. 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 We're just learning this one, so talk.
Wags tail really fast.
Talk.
Oh,
Talk.
Was that a sneeze?
Talk. Ruff. You have to bark at them so they know. Ruff. Ruff. Talk.
Oh my God.
Talk.
You're just pissing her off. Tell me what is going on here. Oh my God.
I sat on my highlighter.
Oh my God.
Perfect circles.
I've never seen that. I thought you were like testing your makeup in there. So that is a whole new level. Luna. Ooh. That was weird. Ew.
Did she lick you?
She like put her nose in my ear and it was really wet. Okay, we're leaving, I think. You ready?
Yes.
Just about?
Make me out to be some crazy bitch.
No, this is how everyone's car is. Audi time. I just push this in?
Mm-hmm.
To where? That?
Yeah, you put your foot on the brake.
Oh, I've got the power.
You never act aloud the way you appear. My every breath awakes alarms in your ears. I'm not confused, it's just
Two.
The black and white looks good.
Oh, you think it's good?
Yeah. Take your cliche Snapchat through your sunglasses. Have you ever seen people do that? Catching last light as we speak. The sun looks nice though. Right here looks cool.
baby, baby, you're all I've ever wanted. And baby, baby, you're all I've ever.
Do you have the keys? Oh my God. God. Trendy. That's the caption. Oh, I think I opened the trunk. Tell. Let's get your phone number on it. Oh, I didn't have my foot on the brake. What do I do? Oh, look at that. Back home, there's a lot of gaps and jumps and not a lot of talking in this vlog because it's busy. I've been really busy with midterms, not a lot of time to do stuff, but I'm glad I got to go take pictures. And right after that, I went straight to lab, so not much to film there, but the pictures came out sick. I'll probably put them now. Until then, thank you for watching this vlog. If you want to see more things my friends and I do, give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
on me like that. I give a high five to the devil up.